What's the meaning of chug? Chug. Chug.
Chug. Chug. The word chug refers to a low, rhythmic sound that is made by an engine or a machine. Specifically, it describes the sound of an engine or machine working hard and steadily, emitting short, sharp bursts of noise. This sound is often associated with trains or boats, as they move slowly and steadily along a track or through water. The result of a chugging engine is a feeling of endurance and progress, as the vehicle or machine continues to move forward despite the obstacles in its path.